Okay.
Because then you're actually playing, or else it's just like reading.
I feel like John's gonna take this a little too far.
We're so gonna regret doing this.
Don't hit me in the eye. Yo, ready?
I'll be sure to be
Go,
careful for the
Thad,
eye.
go.
We need like.
No throwing. No spearing. Oh! That's pretty sweet. It's right in his head. That's going down, but now he's got more room to fight. No throwing. Somebody's gonna get owned and I know it.
You missed!
Ow. There you go. Come on, roll, roll. Oh! That, you alright? Oh. You alright? Okay. Done that.